Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your Botim account, the card number, and PIN are at hand because you will need them immediately. Once ready, make sure your phone has stable Wi-Fi or mobile data and at least 30% battery. This prevents interruptions during provisioning. Now open the Botim app and sign in with your credentials. Next, tap the Wallet or Card section to start the Add Card flow. This triggers the guided steps that validate identity and link the card securely to your account. You will now enter the card details carefully. Type the 16-digit number, expiry date, and CVV exactly as printed because a single-digit error blocks verification. Once done, proceed to identity checks. Botim may send an SMS OTP or request a photo ID and a selfie. Comply quickly and clearly so automated checks pass. Make sure the billing address matches the card issuer. Finally, review requested permissions for app access, and then tap Submit to initiate authorization and tokenization. You finish by waiting for the authorization result. Botim typically shows an in-app confirmation and sends an email within minutes because the issuer must approve the tokenization. If the card is declined, try resending the OTP and confirm with your bank that online/third-party provisioning is allowed. Sometimes international restrictions block activation. If problems persist, clear the app cache, reboot, or reinstall Botim, and then repeat the add card flow. This resolves most local app errors and stale session conflicts.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.